Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's discussion session wherein we are going to discuss the CAT 23 paper, the slot 2 paper particularly, CAT 23 slot 2 paper, the QA section. So as you all know, we had 22 questions, 18th one. A triangle is drawn with its vertices on the circle C such that one of the sides is a diameter of C. So let me just first draw the circle. So on the circle, we have a triangle such that one of the sides is the diameter. Suppose this is one of the sides. Let's give it some names. No? PQR is a triangle, suppose. PQR is a triangle. A triangle is drawn with its vertices on the circle C such that one of the sides is diameter of C and the other two sides have their lengths in the ratio A:B. So suppose this is A parts, this will be B parts. If the radius of the circle is r, so that means this QR, which is diameter, will be 2r. Then the area of the triangle is, see, one thing that we know in this case is, in this triangle is, if you take a triangle in a semicircle, so this triangle will turn out to be a right angle triangle. Angle in a semicircle, very basic property, I am sure everyone must know who is preparing for CAT. Angle in a semicircle should be 90 degree. So if that is 90, so can I say, I can apply Pythagoras theorem here. So what is the Pythagoras? AB square, BK square, sorry, this is AK square plus BK square should be equal to 2R whole square. So when I take K square value outside, A square plus B square, if I send it on the other side directly, I'll get the value as 4R square by A square plus B square. I get the value of K square like this. Next, he is asking us for the area. What is area of this triangle? Can I say right angle triangle area is half into product of the perpendicular sides, which is AK into BK. And thus can I say my answer will be half AK into BK is AB K square. And how much is K square? We just now got it. So it will be equal to half AB into K square is 4R square by A square plus B square. So when you solve this, you get something like 2ABR square by A square plus B square. This is what our answer should look like. Let's look at the option choices. 2ABR square by A square plus B square. So this should be the answer. So option choice 2 will be the correct answer. I hope we are clear with this.